Hi guys, in this video I will show you some basic features and some cool stuffs of OS X Yosemite. I've just installed Yosemite on my MacBook Pro, so I'll just let you know the cool features and the stuff that are associated with it. First of all, if you just look at the display over here, you can see what Yosemite has done is that they have given a very beautiful display. They have made it much more a mobile-like feeling to it. As you can see in the background also, it's a transparent background in the dock they have given over here. Such beautiful presentation of the dock, and of course overall view, if you see it's pretty good. Now if I go to system preferences over here and just open a bit of just let me show you the stuffs that I've associated with them. What they have done over here, if I go to general, like if you see it over here, just follow these particular steps. If I change it to small and select it to small, you see this turn small. Similarly, for users who want it to be large, you can see it becomes large. So that way customizable things, the options are pretty much actually user friendly over here. So there are pretty much cool stuffs are associated with notification center with each and every settings. Also they have done it a very user friendly manner, and they have shown that yeah, they have done some great changes with a new OS, that is with Yosemite. Of course, number two, if I go, it cannot go along without the mention of the maps. It's a very good addition that they have done it over here. And if I open it, if open maps, yeah, you can see, yeah, of course, you need to turn your Wi-Fi, the GPS stuff like that, and you will, sorry, just ran out. Yep. You will see it's just showing you the steps. If I just zoom out, you will see it will show you the position in the blue mark over here, like as you can follow. So let me zoom in much more over here. So see, as I zoom in, the areas, the places and the stuffs like that, they becomes much more prominent. So the navigation part also, they have actually made it pretty much clear and pretty much decent with the new maps inclusion in Yosemite. Okay, so now the third point, for number three, I need to mention the notification center. If I go to notification center over here, you can see that it gives you the current weather status, the calendar, the stock market exchanges, the weather over here, and stuff like that. So also it gives an event scheduler, uh, a planner, you can say. Also over here you can actually edit these particular steps, and in notifications, if any new notifications are there, it will also come over here. So let me show you how. What they have done is that if you just click on edit over here, now see, you can actually easily add stuffs just like that, or in fact if you want, you can also delete the stuffs by just pressing this particular red button over here. So actually it's very user friendly, very easy to use. So it's a beautiful addition to Yosemite with the notification center. It can actually, just by clicking on the notification, you can get a daily update of your schedules, or whether it's the stock markets, the reminders, stuff like that, everything. It's pretty simple, very easy, and very user friendly actually. Okay, for number four, what I should say, and it's a very significant update, it's a spotlight search. If you see, I just click on that spotlight, and here sorry, just if you see, I just have written quick time over here. So if I just search just like that, at first you must also notice that the notification, that with this particular spotlight update, what they have done is that they have actually kept it in the middle. They have made it a very. Now if I show you over here also, like suppose I type Steve Jobs does that, you can see it gives you the information, retrieves information from the net about the latest happenings surrounding Steve Jobs. It also gives you this particular Wikipedia type search actually, that lets you know what is the search that you're searching for. So stuff like that. So you can see that what they have done is that they have actually incorporated data to be retrieved from net, as well as from your hard disk and the data that are being used recently, something similar to that, the search that you have made. So they have actually made it very what do you say, very user friendly, and of course it's something that they have, that it's a great modification to Spotlight. Now for the fifth, I have to mention the iMessage. It's a very beautiful addition, a very beautiful inclusion. Let me just go through iMessage, just typing over here iMessage. Yep. Here it is. Now if you can see that what they have done is that they have given a very beautiful feeling, a translucent, a transparent feeling on the left hand side of the bar, and also for each and every chat portions. If I go over there, it gives a beautiful blue portion and these grayish background portion that gives you that you can easily identify with each of them, and also get to know that what the chats are going on, such like that. Also, apart from that, if I go to preferences over here, you will see that it's a very easy notification centers over here, and you can go to accounts. You can actually hit plus, and you can add as many accounts as many of the accounts, and I am you want to associate with it with iMessages and all. So it's very user friendly, very easy to use also. So it's also a very good addition to Yosemite with iChat, or better to say iMessage. Now for the sixth point, what I need to show you is that it's a very cool feature. It's actually one of the features that I like the most. If I go to Safari, I have just opened a website over here, and just if I navigate to any phone number, here it is. What they have done, if I just select this particular number, you will see, just let me again select it. You will see just after selecting the number, a drop down comes, and if I just hit on that, here it says call this particular number using iPhone. So I can actually call in fact from my MacBook itself. It's a very cool feature. I love this feature a lot. If I click on that, you will see that yeah, of course your iPhone needs to be connected via Wi-Fi to make this possible. Yeah, it prompts you to say call or connect. I can see I can make a call, and all I can also end it over here. So vice versa also. Now if I show you, you can actually receive a call coming to your iPhone using your MacBook Pro actually. So let me just give me some time. Let me just call on my iPhone actually, and give it some time. The call will come. Yeah, as you can see, the call has come over here. Let me just have it silent over here. If you just see my MacBook Pro screen, this particular number comes. It says me either to accept the call or to decline the call. Let me just decline it for a moment, and after some time you will see, yeah, see, it gives a pop-up that says a missed call has come from my iPhone. So if I tap on that again, see, it actually calling back that particular number automatically. So you can see it's a very cool feature. It's a very good addition. It's a great addition to Yosemite, I must say, because you can actually receive your calls from your iOS devices, coming to your iOS devices through your MacBook or through your iMac. It's a great feature. For point number 7, I cannot actually go anywhere else without mentioning the feature of iCloud. As you can see over here, what they have done is that they have given you actually a iCloud Drive folder option over here. So what it does is that you can easily copy or paste or cut or paste any data, any videos, any pictures, anything such like that over here, and you can actually use those particular data that you have put it in this iCloud Drive from your other iOS devices, like from your iPhone, from your iPad. You can actually be anywhere, any part of the world, and you can actually access those particular thing using this iCloud Drive. So it's a pretty cool addition actually, and because of that only, what you can do is that you can easily upload stuffs, and in fact delete stuffs from this iCloud Drive also. It makes sure that you get to access those particular data from any of the iOS devices associated with this with the ID and the password you're using for the iCloud Drive. So it's a very decent and a very good feature that's worth mentioning. Okay, now for point number 8, the 8th most important feature is of course the Safari. If I open Safari over here, you will see, just a sec, if I go over here and just press this particular button right over here, if I press this, you will see this gives a list of your favorites, and also the bookmarks and the social parts and the social shared links, stuff like that. So each and every information you get to get beforehand from here, or if you're here itself. Now let me show you another cool feature. You can actually click over here, and just it will come, and it goes along that way. Now another cool feature is that if I just click my mouse over here on this particular search bar, you will see a drop down appearing that shows the list of your recent opened sites. So it's a very good feature. It's a very cool feature actually for to use along with Safari. So navigation through Safari becomes a lot easier with stuffs like that. So it's a very great feature that is worth mentioning. Now for point number 9, which what is most important is that it's an AirDrive feature. I'll show you what it is. So AirDrop feature, sorry. If you click on AirDrop over here, and you need to make sure that your iPhone or your iPad also the Bluetooth is on, and AirDrop is on over here. As you can see, it's on over here also. Now let me show you what this AirDrop feature will do is that since it has detected my iPhone over here, now if I want to send a picture, for example, say for the example this particular picture, if I want to send, let me just show you. I'll just hold this picture, I'll just drag and drop on my iPhone link over here, and it will say waiting, and see here it says sharing a photo. So see, this particular image is automatically shared in my iPhone also. So it's a very cool feature with AirDrop. Using this particular feature, you can actually share photos, videos, stuff like that very easily with the use of AirDrop. So this particular feature is what was worth mentioning. Now for the 10th and the last feature, it's a very important and a very cool feature I want to show you is that if I go to compose mail over here, and suppose I want to attach a particular picture, for example I go to attach, and I'm just for example sake I'm just attaching this particular picture, and here we'll see it says a drop down comes, and now if I click on that drop down, then select markup and give it some time for the markup to appear. Now you can see in this particular portion is being marked. So if I suppose for example I just draw something just like that and just highlight it over here, and see you can select either this or that. Suppose I say select this particular thing, a markup is being done over here. Similarly, if I press on text, and I can write stuffs over here also. See, I can write easy stuffs or easy note over here also. So now after that, the most important cool feature that I must mention over here is the signature part. Now if I go to signature over here and just press it and select create signature, and then if I click here to begin, and after that my mouse pad actually becomes my signature pad. Now if I move my mouse, you see it will actually show what I'm doing over here. So you can actually place your signature very easily using this particular cool feature, and when something is finished you just hit any other key and just select done, and just select the signature over here, and you see here it comes. It's a very cool feature actually. You can actually put your signature in any documents, stuff like that. It's a very cool addition to Yosemite. So stuff like that, stuff like these mix these OS X Yosemite very popular and very user friendly. Actually it's a great leap for Apple actually, because with this particular OS the interaction between the iOS devices and MacBook or your iMac becomes very easy and very user friendly. So that's it guys, I hope this video helps you. Please do like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll come up with more interesting updates in the days to come. Thank you, bye bye.